Hello everyone, thanks for checking out this video. We got a 2016 Infiniti QX50. Has 110,000 miles on it. We just serviced it, new front pads and rotors, oil change. Drives really good. And check it out, you see the body's in really good shape. And this car definitely is nice, leather, navigation, sporty feel, V6, sunroof, Bluetooth. Really a sharp looking car. Interior is very clean too. It has a sunroof, does have heated seats. Real comfortable. Go ahead and start her up. Has nav, all that. If there's something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for checking out our video. And if you have an Infiniti or any other foreign or luxury vehicle, domestic as well, definitely give us a shout for our repair shop to help get you back on the road. No job too big, too small. Thanks for checking out this video.